Week number 8, question 4 asks you to calculate CLV for 3 different examples, given 3 different margins, retention rates, and discount rate combinations. So in this case here, again, you've got your formula, so you can just plug in your margin is equal to 50, and you're going to multiply that by some multiple. And the multiple is determined by the retention rate, in this case 60%, divided by 1 plus your discount rate, which is 3%, minus your retention rate. So when you execute that formula, what you get is 50 multiplied by some multiple around 1.4 to give you a customer lifetime value of $69.77. Seems weird that somebody generating $50, a customer generating $50 every year, is only worth over their lifetime $69.77. But again, that is dependent on the retention rate. So each year you're losing 40%. You have a 40% chance of losing that customer. And your discount rate, again, is going to reduce the current value also. The second part of question 4 asks you again to calculate customer lifetime value. So in this case, our margin is again $50, but our discount rate has changed. So we're going to multiply by a retention rate of 60% divided by 1 plus our discount rate minus our retention rate. And in this case, our customer lifetime value is going to go down because our annual discount rate has gone up. So 66.67%. Sorry, $66.67. The final part of question 4, again, changes the retention rate and also the discount rate. So the discount rate is going up and the retention rate is going down, meaning that our CLV is even going to be smaller. So our margin in this case of $50 multiplied by our retention rate, we'll do it in decimals this time, 40 divided by 1 minus 7%, plus 7% minus, again, our retention rate of 40. And what you get here is a CLV of $29.85. Whoa! How can that be less than our margin? It's an interesting question. Again, you have to understand that one of the assumptions in this formula is that the money is not received until the end of the period. And you only have your retention rate possibility of getting that money. So first of all, you're getting the money at the end of the year. So let's assume that today is January 1st. You're trying to assess the customer lifetime value of a customer that will pay you on December 31st of that year. So there's the time value of money there. So we're discounting the money by the fact that we're getting it 12 months later. And we only really have a 40% chance of getting that money at the end of the year because our retention rate is only 40%. And each year that goes on, certainly we'll lose more and more and more customers. So that's why your CLV in this particular case is less than the annual margin.